Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is June 24th of the 2024 year. I don't know. Let's do a bonus problem that I haven't done yet. I'll just do a random one this time. Feel like I haven't done a easier problem in a while. So today we have 1357, apply discount every and order. There's a supermarket that's frequented by many customers. The products sold, two parallel products and prices, where the I product is an idea of products of I and the prices of I. Okay, I mean, that's fine. They both have two parallel integer arrays, products and an amount. The J product they purchase an idea of products of J and how much they bought. I mean, it makes sense. The supermarket decide to have a sale. Every nth customer paying for the grocery will have a percentage discount. Okay. That's kind of weird, but okay, fine. I mean, and I think it's, yeah, I don't think this is that bad, right? Like maybe? I don't know, just putting things in here. Wait, yeah, okay, so we just want a lookup table, right? So maybe it's, yeah, I'll just go lookup because I'm lazy. Before, P in zip of products prices. Self.lookups of I is equal to P, right? And then now, and maybe count for the current customer number. What is the exact way of saying it? The nth person get a discount. Okay, so that means that 0 is going to be first, so the nth is going to be, okay. So self.count, 1, right? If self.count mod n is equal to 0, then we have a discount. Otherwise, so we could do this later. We'll get the price or the total is equal to 0, and then for P in, no, PA in zip product amount, right? Total, we add P times A. Self.lookup of P times A, right? Assuming that it exists. If not, we'll just have to check for it. If the count is string, then total, what did it say? Times 100 minus discount. Over 100, right? So you do this. Over 100. Is it like the int? I don't know. And then we just return, oh, it's a float. Okay, well. I am just sloppy. Alright, looks pretty okay. I mean, it sounds pretty straight. There's so many constraints I'm not going to be through. I'm going to just go YOLO submit. Maybe I misread something because, I don't know. It's easy to misread. But I think the idea in concept, I got what they're trying to ask for, which is why it allows me to kind of not read so much of the stuff. But yeah, and the reason why I didn't really look at the constraint is because everything is as linear as it gets, right? Because the initialization, I don't really do anything. I just set it up for a lookup map, which is linear, so we can't really do better than that. That is the lower bound. And when you're doing stuff that is the lower bound, then you don't really have a second thought about it, you know? And the same thing here, right? Is that this is going to be lower bound because that's just the size of the input, and everything else is all one outside of the lower bound. So, you know, that's why I didn't really look at a lot of these things, and here as well. Yeah, I don't know. I don't have anything to say about this one. It is just about following the rules. It's just about getting discount for every nth person, which you can do here. You can also, you know, mod it after every try or something like this, or just do an if statement and reset the count. But it doesn't really matter that much, unless you're doing like I don't know, gabillion entries. But yeah, what are the possible hints? Keep track of the count. Okay, thanks. I'm just always sometimes I'm curious like what the counts are. I don't know why there's so many downloads. I mean, it's not an interesting problem, but it's an okay problem. It's a good, you know, it's I mean, on the daily video, I did talk about you know, practicing for speed and stuff like that. So this would be a good case, and just getting, you know, making sure I don't make silly mistakes. And I feel like for the most part I didn't make silly mistakes. I just forgot to do self dot stuff a couple of times. But yeah, as I said, everything's linear. This is linear in the size of the input. So, you know, like I said, everything's lower bound. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Stay good, stay healthy, do good mental health. I'll see y'all later. Take care. Bye-bye.